These cedar trees really need some water. They're drying out here and there. Not good. Wind is picking up. Look at the clouds. Look at those clouds coming this way. Hope it has some rain, not just wind. My little thing is spinning up there on the chimney, but I don't get a reading in the house. There must be some disconnection of the wire. That'll have to be fixed. 8:20 and getting very dark outside, like a storm is coming. 8:20 a.m. Getting light again. It's 8:30 a.m. No rain yet. Cool air. Tuesday, the picking of the beans. This should can about 7 quarts of beans. No rain, even last night when it was thundering. I don't know, the rain keeps missing us.